In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to see your Capital One virtual card. Whether you're planning to shop online or just want to have your virtual card details handy, this guide will help you access everything you need in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll need to sign in to your Capital One account, which you can do through the mobile app or directly on the website. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need them to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see an overview of your accounts. Here, you'll want to select your credit card account. For instance, if you have a Quicksilver card, click on that specific account to proceed. Now, as you view your credit card account, keep an eye out for an option that says Get Your Virtual Card. Sometimes this option is prominently displayed right on the main page for easy access. If you see it, go ahead and tap or click on it to move forward. However, if it's not immediately visible on the main page, don't worry. You'll just need to do a bit of scrolling. Open your credit card account and scroll down past your recent transactions. Usually, the virtual card section is located below your transaction history. Once you find it, select Get Your Virtual Card. This will bring up your virtual card details. On your screen, you should now see your virtual card number alongside its expiration date and security code. These are the details you'll use for online purchases, so it's a good idea to have them readily available. You can choose to copy these card details if you need them for immediate use. Alternatively, if you're an Apple user, there's often the option to add the virtual card to your Apple Wallet for even more convenience. This makes future transactions even smoother, as you won't need to enter your card details manually each time. And just like that, you've successfully accessed your Capital One virtual card. It's a straightforward process that ensures you have your card details at your fingertips whenever you need them. Keep this guide handy for the next time you need to view your virtual card, and enjoy the seamless experience of managing your finances with Capital One.